Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to access Microsoft Copilot on your Android keyboard. So there is a bot assistant in your Android keyboard. A first thing to do, you can go to your settings. You can scroll down and tap on a additional settings. Here you can try to access keyboard and input method. Now you can try to use the Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard. Then you can try to tap on Microsoft Shift keyboard settings. If there is not the Copilot, you can try to update the Microsoft SwiftKey. Now this is like a trial. You can try to tap the keyboard icon here. Then this is the Copilot icon. You can tap it. Here we go. Ask me anything here, just tap it. So this is Microsoft Copilot, your everyday AI companion. You can try use GPT-4 if you want, and try to ask something. Maybe best a GPU for 2024, and you can enter. And Copilot will answer. Here are some of the top GPU for 2024: NVIDIA RTX series, AMD Radeon RX, AMD Radeon RX series, and up to this is like a top 5 best GPU for 2024. So you can access the AI Microsoft Copilot only from your keyboard. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.